Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Bloomberg Terminal. To begin, power on your terminal and log in with your credentials. The main screen displays a command line where you input functions. You can access real-time market data, news, and analytics. Familiarize yourself with the keyboard layout, especially the yellow function keys. These keys are crucial for navigating different asset classes and data types. This initial setup is your gateway to comprehensive financial information. Now let's explore some essential commands. Type Go followed by an asset class like Go for equities to dive into specific markets. For breaking news and in-depth articles, simply type BN and press Enter. To keep track of your investments, use PRTU for comprehensive portfolio analysis. If you need detailed company information, DES will provide a full description. These commands are your daily tools for efficient navigation. Moving to advanced analytics, the Bloomberg Terminal offers powerful tools. Use EQS for sophisticated equity screening, allowing you to filter thousands of stocks by various criteria. For fixed income, ALC provides comprehensive bond quotes and analytics across global markets. To visualize data, G lets you create custom charts and graphs with numerous technical indicators. Furthermore, Port helps you evaluate portfolio risk and performance with detailed metrics. These functions empower deeper financial insights. Finally, the Bloomberg Terminal is also a powerful communication hub. Use MSG to securely message other Bloomberg users, fostering professional connections globally. Should you encounter any questions, simply type help for immediate access to customer support and detailed guides. Remember, the Bloomberg Anywhere app extends your access to mobile devices, ensuring you stay connected on the go. Continuous learning through available training resources will maximize your terminal experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.